Hello everyone, this is me Huma and I welcome everyone to my channel. Friends, as you know, today is the second class of our vocabulary. So let's start our new lesson without any further delay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our first vocab is beak. Beak, chonch. This bird has an orange beak. This bird has an orange beak. Next, bricks, ईंटें. This man is building a wall with bricks. This man is building a wall with bricks. ये शख्स ईंटों से दीवार बना रहा है. Next, blow, उड़ाना. The wind is blowing the tree. हवा दरख्त को उड़ा रही है. The wind is blowing the tree. Next, broom, broom, झाड़ू. We sweep the floor with a broom. Next, build, तामीर करना. Sarah built a house with her blocks. Sarah built a house with her blocks. Next, breathe, breathe, सांस लेना. We breathe through our nose. We breathe through our nose. Next, borrow, उधार लेना. I borrow a pen from my sister. यानी मैं अपनी बहन से पेन उधार ले रही हूँ. थोड़ी देर के लिए उधार लेना. Next, buy, खरीदना. We buy things with money. We buy things with money. Next, kasab, butcher, butcher. The butcher is cutting the meat. Next, burn, burn. The wood is burning. The wood is burning. Next, both. Ali is thinking to buy them both. Ali इन दोनों चीजों को खरीदने के बारे में सोच रहा है. Ali is thinking to buy them both. Next, below, below. I am flying in a balloon. I can see people below me. Next, back, पीछे, पीठ पर. A woman is carrying a sack on her back. Sack कहते हैं बोरी को. A woman is carrying a sack on her back. Next, to bark, to bark, भौंकना. My dog barks too much. My dog barks too much. मेरा कुत्ता बहुत भौंकता है. Next, blind, नाबीना. Blind, नाबीना. This woman is blind. She cannot see. So, ये औरत नाबीना है, वो नहीं देख सकती. So friends, these were our sentences for today. I hope you will like them. If you like them, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.